Hey everyone, Alex from Ford Mustang Garage. Just wanted to kind of show you a little tip here that I ran into when putting this interior together on our Project Old Blue 65 here. So what we have here is putting our rear seat together, and this seat bottom has come from another vehicle. So the issue that you will run into from time to time, what you'll run into is these rods here. They're on the bottom of the seat track. Are actually what clicks or secures the seat in place. So down here we have our little retainer that rod goes underneath, which is right here. So the problem is, if you take the original seat out, that's usually pretty easy to reinstall. If you take it out and have it reupholstered and reinstall it, it usually goes right in. But if you're grabbing a seat from another vehicle, because this seat was unrepairable for whatever reason, or it's lost, you're in the restoration process. So what I found is it's kind of difficult to get your seat to secure in, because it's just not the original seat. So if you run into that problem, you're going to want to be patient, but ultimately what you have to do is you have to bend these rods until you get them just right. So when you install it, they should rest about halfway on this retainer, and then you will push the seat down and it'll be secure behind the retainer here. So just to kind of show you, I probably spent a good hour just bending and massaging these rods on each side to get this thing to finally mount up securely. So I finally got to the point where she does go in. So the back is all the way in. You should kind of hear that rubbing sound. That's a good sound that you want to hear. Should not come up. Should take a fair amount of effort to pull it back up, but it is secure in there. She is ready to go. So rear interior on this car is coming together quite nicely. We're going to get our seat belts in here, and this thing is going to start to look like a real nice car here pretty soon. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Quick little thing that I found. It's frustrating, but be patient with those, and you will eventually get it right. Okay, thanks for watching.